Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me? I decided to try skiing and I got the opportunity finally, and this is what happened. Okay, oh boy, that view is not cute.
But you can see the end already.
Already?
She's up there.
Oh, you can see the end already. You can see the end already, she says.
It's like if somebody's slow getting off.
Ah. It's hard though.
Oh my god.
Oh, you stopped. Oh my gosh. Oh, you did it. It's really far.
Yeah. I sound like it's flatter, but it's harder. The real challenge is endurance, not.
Oh. Wow.
So look, it's not too steep. It's not really steeper than what you've been doing.
Yeah. But it goes far, and the skis are heavy on my feet. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm happy. If this was going faster, I would probably freak out.
It's posing, I think, or forward.
Wow. But you're not allowed to walk in these areas.
No. If you see someone walking at it, they're an employee.
Wow.
Or very lost.
Wow. There's a particular route you have to take because this I can't use a straight route to come back. Woo, wow. I'm only doing this for this part. I'm probably gonna walk back.
Go the whole way. The start is like flattish. You'll see.
Wow. I think I've gotten enough. I think I've gotten enough of this video. I did it! And she's hiding! Oh. Oh, it was like that. That's what. I was like, what is it? We are going up.
See, this is where you can ski.
A ski? Who's going?
Obviously not me.
Who's going to be skiing there? Skiing there.
Expert people.
Am I afraid of heights? I've never been this high before.
Oh no.
What? It's doing that? It's going up that thing?
Yeah?
Oh my gosh. It's going to be going, where's my finger? Up to this peak. Yeah, that's where we're going. Wow. I'm so happy I did it. You're laughing.
I have.
I did it. To stop it. To flip it. Stop it. To flip it. Wow. Look where we're coming from. That's where it is. That place right there. Oh. We did it. Nobody's coming down. Where are the people that should be coming down?
That's why I'm like, I think they're closing that.
We just made it then, because everybody's like kind of changing.
Yeah,
now.
it looks like they were like coming off, right? So
Yeah,
like,
but they saw the foreigners and they're like, oh, kawaii so na.
Yeah, there's no one coming down.
Foreigner card. Woo! So this is the highest I've ever been, and would you believe there's something like this in our country? But
That Blue Mountain, that Coffee Mountain, right? I don't know.
No, there are other like attractions in the other hilly sections of Jamaica. Like you can do the rope swinging thingy, but I never used to have like
zip lining.
Zip line and other stuff.
I've done zip lining many times, but not in the snow, obviously. I think the snow makes it like a better atmosphere.
Ah, I see.
Did you even look back?
Look back? I did. Oh, not this look back. But it's different. You see what my eyes see and what this phone sees are just so different. And it's not focusing. Oh, it's focusing on the. Oh, there's a skier. Oh, there's another oh, that's the black guy.
Oh my god.
Mima.
You're the other black person.
Yeah, I saw them when they had just come. Oh, this is crazy, oh. Wow, look, people are coming down. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. That is crazy. I think images of, you know, cartoons where you fall and you just start forming into a snowball and just keep rolling without stopping.
Realistic.
That doesn't really happen, does it?
Realistic.
It does happen?
No.
Because
I'd be like these people. Let's take
that looks like a kid.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, that looks like a kid.
It's okay.
Wow. 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 But you don't take the gondola to go skiing. You take the lift.
You're not allowed to take, you're not allowed to take ski boat. So that's the other chairlift, the one that goes from that side. And then there's another one.
No, there's one up there. All the way up there.
That's the other one.
Oh
so
my
remember,
gosh.
you could see one from where we
Yeah.
were? That's that one. That
Oh
takes
my
you to the top.
gosh.
That's where I was like, I'm kind of curious to go.
Woo! Girl.
I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is not big enough. No.
I'm not curious about nothing. Not even right now with all this beauty. Let me do a 360 here. Wow. Now I can't even see the snow. Oh, is this where we came from? No.
This is way higher than yeah, you can nearly see the top.
Wow, this is crazy.
Sorry, it wasn't 20. I think it was 20 minutes last time. Must be only like 15.
Oh my god.
That's good.
It is good. I want to eat and just not think about all the crazy experience I had today. Ooh, my butt is fine actually. Just cold because of my undies. My undies. Oh, up here is colder. Up here, like I feel the temperature change. Wow.
That's no girl.
Oh my
Yep, I feel
gosh.
her. No, this guy. What is this?
Whoa.
No,
Oh my gosh.
no. I'd be falling. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
I'd be going
Oh
very
my gosh.
wide.
And he just stopped. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yep, that would be me. Yep, that
Wow.
guy can't control himself. Yep.
Wow. But no, the fact that they're even up here. They came from up there.
That. Yep, I feel that.
They are coming from up there. Yeah. They're here, but they're coming from up there. It's not like they just started there. They're coming from up there. This thing is crazy steep. That is steep.
That's surely not going to be.
Oh my gosh, this thing is so steep. Let me see how many kids are up here because I know some kids be up here showing off.
That's the beginner course.
Huh? There's a beginner course up here?
Yeah. So this is the one I was talking about. So where that girl in the pink is going. That's the one I want to do.
Oh, that's one that's gentler?
Yeah.
Supposedly.
So,
I can see it.
Yeah. So see how it's less steep?
Yeah.
But my fear is making a wrong turn.
Oh my
and this is where I'd end up.
gosh.
I'd be like,
Oh my gosh, this thing is crazy. Why do people do this?
Course, look.
This is crazy. Wow. Like you really like why is he going up in the hill?
I gotta suspect maybe he doesn't know how to stop either.
Well, him?
That's effective. It's like an up ramp on a highway.
Yeah, I heard about that, but that's kind of scary. It's scary. That is your way of stopping. Yeah. Wow. Oh, people. Oh, see, a lot of them are coming up with snowboards. Breaking the rules, Wow, look at that skinny thing. I would definitely be going off the cliff.
Yeah, no.
Lots of snowboarders are coming up. That doesn't look like they're not supposed to. Like everything has somebody that's snowboard in it.
I gotta guess maybe they let people at the end of the day because there's a sign saying
Maybe after. Yeah, you're right. Maybe they allow them now.
Maybe they allow them because, or else you have to take 2 chairlifts to the top.
And now that the gondola is closed, they can.
I guess because usually it's full of, like if the max is 15 people, you can't fit them.
People with boards and skis.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay, 25 past.
Ooh.
So,
Me bathroom, you souvenirs.
so we got like
We lockers.
25 minutes.
Bus 1989.
Yes, easy to remember. The Taylor Swift album.
Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.